We are here at the North Pole. All right. This is fun. Look at this. Everyone's just opening doors. Look at this. This is fun.
We were debating on whether or not we were going to go see Santa. And we did, and because there wasn't really a lineup, so we were able to walk in within.
We walked right in.
5
we got
minutes.
the full elf treatment.
All the elves.
It was very nice, very welcoming.
And you told them I was naughty, apparently. I don't know.
Insert photo here.
But they'll take your picture. They'll give you a little card. You can go scan the card, and you can get some picture packages.
The cheapest one was $35, and the most was $85, and there was add-ons that you could get for both of them.
Yep.
We did not do that.
No. So
You can stand there and videotape while they're showing you, and just screenshot your photos.
yeah, we saw people doing that.
We did.
Yeah. So I'm sure that's frowned upon. But anyway, just give you an idea of what to expect with Santa.
Yeah.
So they don't want you bringing drinks and stuff like that when you go see the big guy. But
Don't make them jealous.
yes, don't want to make them jealous. Don't scream, Santa! I know him! No, don't do that. You'll startle him. Definitely, it's a way to get right on that naughty list. So anyway, but yeah, it was fun. So fun for everybody.
Yeah.
So go check it out. And that's a free event other than the pictures.
Yes.
So it was free to walk in and see them, but you know the pictures did cost money. But anyway, definitely go check it out.